Ready na po ba kayo? Hit po ba kayo? Yes! So kung ready na kayo, ready na rin kami. So let's call on Sir Anthony Pangilinan. Good afternoon! Race partner, come on, come on. Go! What did it take to have that kind of impact?
We have to change our minds every day. Baguhin mo ang pag-iisip mo. Are you really here?
Does that make sense?
Who among you are busy? Trying to prioritize yourselves. If you prioritize yourself as a parent, you will actually love your family more. Very exciting and fun.
This is a problem that is something to do.
No, thank you very much once again and enjoy the rest of the afternoon.